really believe in magic?
You mean Chinese black magic?
Yes.
Oh, absolutely.
Are you still serious about this? And monsters and ghosts as well, I suppose.
Oh, sure. And sorcery.
And I suppose that you expect me to believe in sorcery as well.
Of course.
Why?
Because it's real.
How can I know that, Mr. Shen?
How?
Yes, how? Help me out here. Please. How?
Yes!
See?
Toxic record! Toxic record! Yep,
That's how it always begins.
Pink on the beat!
Very
My psychiatrist needs a specialist translator, cause my intelligence triggered expressive aphasia. Brain has Excel strength for mad data. I'm executing these rednecks in gas chambers. I've got a master style, if a rapper bites it, I'll attach a virus that gives them laryngitis. Dish out a kidney punch, I'm not sure if aliens exist. I'm in a grey area 51. I'll mail on surprises, then I'll kick back and leave you to your own nail bomb devices. See all the shit I'm living with is absorbed by my two personalities which split the difference. I created 10 attention, broke the laws of gravity and was handed a suspended sentence. Travel parallel dimensions, I strengthen tendons with precious metals, connecting them to the extent of premise. I got the logic, bro. My message loses no conductivity like monatomic gold. We exist as barcoded cancer patients. I'm superhuman, I kick the curb and crack the pavement. Soon I'll be at the forefront of dominance. I bite the bullet and ignore people's bad advice with hollow tips. Drill a hole in the moon, don't care how strong it is. Attach a string, then aim it at Earth and conquer it. I'm unheard origin. My fiery heart is hotter than when the Persians burnt Acropolis. You'll need a nurse and doctor with a dermatologist, plus a surgeon following who can work across a stitch. Sole survivor of Earth's apocalypse. Me and other MCs ain't the reverse of opposite. Oppose that and meet a disturbing consequence. I'll put my foot down and submerge the continent. Azuka Samurai on the code. You're left half-hearted after the sword enters the collarbone. Lock and load, I don't need your style, fam. I got my own. Chat breeze and you'll get blown over like a domino. All I do is take Prozac. I'm fucking out of this world, so get with the space program. Up and coming Legion General. I've been pepper sprayed 4 times and a seasoned veteran. Did you just purchase an ounce of crack? Cause you're dissing my name, but I'll be certain to counteract. There's no turning the hourglass. My shock value will send you into a permanent power nap. Watch your back, I stick by my promises. Make sure your spinal column is gyroscopic, bitch. I take a rhyme and dive and polish it. You're so cheesy, I'm surprised you haven't died of tyrotoxism. Eclipse your shine, I'm blocking it. Like that time when disaster turned off cannabis' hydroponic kit. I don't know what they told you, what psychologic is, but let me tell you, it's borderline my higher consciousness. Mad confident cunt that's cocky as fuck. Split you in half with an abdominal punch. Kidnapped by Zionists, they done astronomical stuff, then set me free and rip the lab documents up. Cracker Jack, knowledgeable one. I guess by now you know the Archon, the Doctor, the Sun.
You know.
Bad, horrible scum. I'm purely unique, but I'm common as muck. Gamma Tyrannosaurus Rex, my grammar's flawless edge. Slices off the ice on the Alaskan northern crest. So plan a cautious step when you're walking the plank, cause I'll push you. Man aborted deck, I am the source of death. Watch the planet's orbit bend as my thoughts eject. I pay my opponents every due as their fingernails break, try escaping for their burial too. More intelligent than mental recruits. I send acoustic phone when I step in the booth. Move ahead and pursue what we collecting my dues. I'll just rob these degenerate fools. That's the genuine truth. Get locked in a derelict room, tortured with a hot heroin spoon. I forever hold strong. If you ever bite my shit, that's just megalodon. Throw you up in the air into a pylon. That's how I deal with current affairs. Hold the mic with a hard and tight grip till I've got arthritis and my arm is subsided. When I approach these little pricks, I mush their face in the wall until there's shit and bricks. Picture perfect like a Polaroid. Handshake is so strong it'll dislocate your shoulder joint. You freaking chickens are getting slaughtered. So I suggest that you get back in the pecking order. I kill MCs like she killed Bill. I'm lactose intolerant, don't cry over spilt milk. Mental patient, lost my mind, crossed the line. If you want your facial features modified, here to collect what is mine. The glory and respect the dollar signs. Rep for the dark side, it's a no-brainer. Kick you 500 miles, you'll hit a proclaimer. Yo, dog, fat blood, yeah, you get me. I travelled up shit creek on a jet ski. I'm a savage K9. Ever try question my grammar, I will punch you 8 times. Shit talkers get flushed down the waste pipe. Want beef, then you'll get cut with a steak knife. You know the score, take your head off on a Trojan horse. I'm more overboard than Goldie Hawn. Take your breath away, punch you your lung. My dad's a pistol, I'm a son of a gun. Got my opponents distressed, they're totally vexed. These jokers resent when I'm holding the pen. Let hypnosis commence. Relax and chill like Cambodian men in opium dens. My soul is possessed by your omen of death. Wrap you in rope and get fed doses of meth. Hold your requests, I'm ignorant. If I wanted points, I'd commit a motor offence. Reload and refresh, focus and press forward. To my goals of success, I'm alone in my quest. I'm going to hell, could never lower myself to your standard because I float in suspense. Equipped with copious strength, I poke and inject human growth hormones in my leg. Start showing respect or I'll go to extent of closing your head in a rotary press. Come to your postal address, bulldoze your defense. When I'm gone, you'll be holding a red rose on your chest. Dispose of you then, cover you from your toe to your neck in a truckload of cement, then go when it sets. My persona's intense, don't go to social events. Forward a friend, I'll leave your throat in a mess. Get exposed to direct radioactive isotopes at dispense. When I do a show or a set, I scope and detect any rodents I smell. Take appropriate steps, then they decompose on my treads. Master bowman, select my prey. You'll be too slow to deflect any arrows that I send. My sole purpose is to only impress. I'm rolling correct, pack more venom than a cobra ejects. You're a potent threat, you'll see you're close to the edge. When I stick a bushy dough in your flesh, I'm coming for those with a rep. Approaching them then, show them it's game over, no go and collect. Won't stop till I'm globally spread. Every word spoken is blessed, I have petroleum breath. Taking over, no broken attempts. I smash it over the head with the corona or Bex. Blood is made of plutonium lead. You'll see pride is something that slowly digests. I want MCs to know I'm coming for the self-esteem and souls of enemies and foes. My technique and flow is deadly and dope. If the sky's the limit, how can I touch celestial poles? Position your centuries at post. I can spit for 1,000 years from the top of my millennium dome. I'm hungry, I'm ready to go. Your eyes are too big, if you swallow them, you make your belly explode. Blind you with cosmic rays, I got what it takes when I operate. I'm on the ball and off the chain. You think you're strong, but I'm stronger, mate. I'll pick you up and drop you straight in a barrel of toxic waste. Leave you to rot away. I get sent information direct from the Anunnaki knowledge base. Conceived and born vicious. 1 cross, 2 Jesus and 3 nails equals forgiven. You're not permitted to venture into my jurisdiction. Enter and you'll trigger a sensor that spins a propeller that's positioned to dead you. You'll leave a paramedics lifting a stretcher, admitting your errors. Hermaphrodite bitches and benders with different agendas. My shock value could surprise Nikola Tesla. You're in a dilemma. I think that it's best you quit and surrender. Nothing can diminish my temper. I should be a death row resident cause I craft exoskeletons from the dead bones of well-known veterans. Me having goat on my headstone's definite. Never slipping though the grease from this elbow's evident. You got too much air in your head. My heart's so hot it singes the hairs on my chest. Be your worst nightmare in the flesh. They compare me to Fred Krueger. I need repairs on my head. Be aware I'm possessed. Ghostwriters see me and I scare them to death. God don't care when you're sharing a prayer. I'm too busy writing or tearing a set. Yo, command your troops to wave a flag of truce. I'm an Aggie dude, won't think twice to flatten you. Drop faggot dudes get sliced. You'll see gastric juice that's filled with passion fruit, dragon soup. Caught lightning in a bottle, threw it back at Zeus. Fight nipples to the black and blue, I got attitude. Always do what I have to do. Rip your eyes out, attach and glue them to the back of you. Disarm your battle weapons in a nanosecond. I learned to be a sneaky bastard in my adolescence. I'll stab your pelvis, slice and wrap your tendons around your ankle, dangle you, I'm mad and reckless. Watch your bladder get slit. Truckloads of casualties, but not enough paramedics. I am respected, people rooting for me from Japan to Texas, Sudan to Memphis. Hip-hop today isn't right. It ain't about the money or the cars or these fakes in disguise. Remain dignified, I'm like a lethal dose of painkillers, the way I'm straight killing Mike. IQ has reached incredible numbers, you'll meet your match when I douse you in petrol and sulfur. I'm getting the hunger back, MCs disappeared, then this skeletal structure. You can't match the strength that I muster. Even Jill Valentine can't send a nemesis under. I stay ahead of you fuckers. Got you so sick to the stomach, it's infested with ulcers. Fast like when Neo fights the agents inside the Matrix. I make Goliath feel more like the size of David. I'm like Reptile, Raiden, M. Bison, Cage. Shadow kick you inside a vacant Iron Maiden. I defend my soul, you'll get destroyed. I'll rip your leg and groin from your patella joint. You best avoid. Never need a brother to fight my battles. I'd be straight reppin' Troy. When I get annoyed, I'll rip the mic off you so fast it would detach your arm from your frontal deltoid. I'm proof science is wrong. Kill every mic that I'm on. When I strike, I'm as strong as a hydrogen bomb. Mastodon, alpha dog, rapper dropping atom bombs as an act of God. You chatterboxers will feel an aftershock as the ashes lobbed at the plot. Your casket drops. Eject my voice box with Diana Ball, harness more cheese than the bells at Angkor Wat. I bring hell and terror, G, with the devil next to me. I got all you pricks sweating endlessly. You should well accept defeat, cause the only way I'd hold my tongue is if I performed the self-vasectomy. Take off in a plane, drop an A-bomb. My aim's not, give the streets a red paint job. My faith's lost, don't obey God. You amount to nothing, like the waste of Kate Moss. And fuck getting a day job. Yeah, I've got a dirty mind, because I've never been brainwashed. You're not an alpha, you're a stray dog. When it rains, it pours, acid rain drops. While all you gossipers are having a chain wag, I work to the bone and stay on my skin graph. My brain broke out of tight shackles. I'm telepathic, my mind scans the right channels of time travels. Divine mammal, I'll stick a protractor in your eye, then you'll see things from the right angle. You'll get abolished. I'm bloody sick like black vomit. Stand back from it. My delivery has its own unique stamp on it. We can settle accounts, you can bank on it. I don't take the piss, I rip the urinal out then smash it over your head until it breaks to bits. I'm spontaneous, the zaniest, enter my radius. I'll stick a razor in your cranium. You've no appeal like apple fritters. You're hanging by a loose thread and I'm about to snap the scissors. Scenes full of plastic action figures. We'll throw caution to the wind cause you couldn't make a candle flicker. Master spitter, went to a dinosaur, you on the menu, you're gonna be a raptor's dinner. Grab a stick a dagger in ya, extract your liver, more emotionally detached and sicker than Jack the Ripper. Stronger than silverback gorillas, smash the doors of opportunity with 20-ton caterpillars. Took the hand of God and snapped his fingers. You'll get hit with the force that an axe delivers. Cheesy like a half a meter, margarita. Won't have a leg to stand on when I snap your calf and femur. You're in waters dark and deeper. Then the submarine now took Hitler back to Argentina. Bitches can only indirectly write a status, cause saying my name is like sitting inside a flat with carbon monoxide surrounding you and you decide to act and strike a matchstick, you idiot. It's suicidal madness. I can't find a balance, my mind is damaged. I'm a psychopathic biohazard. Truly defining talent, my flows burst every hydrographic tidal plants, pipes and banks and wipes the planet's entire masses. Samurai assassin, when I'm in transit it's like I'm absent, but when it's time for battle I'm slicing granite like it's wax, bitch. I'll tailor make a sizing casket and bury you deeper than a lost Mayan tablet. It's like I quite haven't got it going on upstairs. My mother mixed my baby formula with nitric acid. I'm a mindless savage. I thought I had another Marmite in cabbage, Thousand Island sandwich inside my basket. Want a piece of advice? Tie your sneakers and hide. Flee in the night, most ferocious creature alive. I'm strategic and wise. When I reach for the mic it causes demons to rise. Eclipse any beacon of light. The cosmos and my ego are equal in size. I bring fear you've never seen. Devastating tsunamis form from the tears of my enemies. Your style is obsolete, you're not elite. Too many wannabes biting, that's a common breach. Got this shit on lock and key. When I bomb your colony, you'll all look like a pile of donomy. I won't drop the beef, the only thing good going for you is in Britain. You don't pay doctor's fees, I'm on a spree. Want a battleology, you'll receive pounds just like you were a slot machine. Give these lightweights a migraine, my pace and my state will continue until my spine breaks. You're not cold, I'll stab you with an ice skate. I'm thirsty for blood, especially type A. I know your heart's in the right place. It's sitting in my fridge right next to the limeade. Welcome to the party house where it's dark and foul and barking hounds guard the grounds. There's no good in me, it can't be found. I thought people said it was taking body parts, it count. Cold red, get back with the slow death. Make you my new project, I am grotesque. Perfection, never settle for no less. Don't do things by half, I go the whole step. The power I possess gives my peers nightmares, they wake up in cold sweats. Forget that modest shit, I'm an eschatologist. I have arrived to put an end to all of it. I'm ahead of novices, play mind games with myself to complete levels of consciousness. Trust me, your threatening comments will ultimately result in me welding your coffin lid. Evil demeanor, reaching the crease of the Virgin Mary, rip up the fetus of Jesus. Freestyle these next four. When you stand next to me, you see red horns. I'm solid as a rock for Pete's sake. My vocals are so strong, they blew up my DJ. I couldn't give two shits. If you act stupid, you'll get snapped like a toothpick. I done told you my ego is endless. I'm center of the universe, I'm heliocentric. Return to the backseat. Take every verse of the scrap if you're worthless or whack G. Never nervous, I'm at ease. I shrug fear off like I'm working my trapeze. Start burning your rap sheets and stop stealing my bars like I'm Colonel Gaddafi. I'm disturbed and I'm angry. I'm the new and updated version of Zangief. Sharper than the head of an arrow. More senseless and shallow than General Franco. A rap on my Jack Jones. Put the knife's edge in your backbone if you think of stepping with aggro. Replenish my ammo. I'll knock your lights out when I bang your head off a lamppost. Bang. When I'm grabbing the mic, I'm sending subliminal messages to the back of your mind. Yeah. I'm the master of time. Plus I can make sound travel faster than light. I had such a pear-shaped life, too many close shaves, now I tell bare-faced lies. When I pick up the pen and paper, sense the danger. I'm releasing toxic gases, grab a respirator. I commit terrible sins in a constant battle with the devil within. I'm always getting it in. You can only get people hyped when you give them energy drinks. Rappers forever talking shit. You'll get left on the pavement like a dead contortionist. All tend to fall to bitch when I use excessive force. They become the lesser fortunate. Thick-skinned like a stegosaurus. Every second I have an intellective metamorphosis. Never forfeiting or bound to reason. I never give up, I'm about achievements. I fight with every ounce I bleed with. I'm a master lyricist without a weakness. I'm a tyrant in ciphers, faster than God particles in the Hadron Collider. And I hate this puny earth, jack a spacecraft and parallel park in another universe. Be wise when you choose your words. Respect the craft and you shall get what you deserve. I lost a couple bars, fuck jot on your note. I'll just come off from the top of my dome. I'm a murderous villain. I assert my position with every verse that is written. You're squirming and bitching and working your ticket. I can fly, don't care about burning my bridges. Do shit on my own terms and conditions. We're about as alike as Germans and Nixon. Populations worshipping lizards. Unwillingly, they don't know the serpents are hissing. Who landed on the moon? Neil A. Now think about it and start reversing the lyric. It's a fucking diversion, you dimwits. Obama will never confirm it's official. I can smell all the vermin I live with. They'll never push me off my vertical limit. I emerge from the distance. I'm too cold, can't be seen using thermal equipment. Rip out your spinal cord. You're not ill, why you lying for? I'm twice as raw. I intend to strike a chord. My pen makes Poseidon's trident look like a fork. Masterful spitting, a hazardous spillage of flammable liquid. The damage inflicted hits maximum limits. I can manage the distance by lateral thinking. Brings your IQ down into fractional digits. You got laughable lyrics. All your bad man bars are just a delusional graphical image. Find your clavicle sticking on your back till your skin rips. I would down if I didn't treat you like a Hannibal victim. You better depart and migrate. This smart divine male is armed at high rate with bars and bite chains. My armor shine made of carbon nitrate. On my ground, I'll sharpen my blade until the carbon knife breaks. Sparks of high grade. And watch me open a Martian time gate. It's the stars align straight. If you are in my space, hypothermia becomes relative for harsher climates in the Arctic Ice Age. I exceed the forces and rage of Mother Nature. Lost the plot like a disorientated undertaker. I'm here to kill it, not amuse you. I'm like the best friend of a cop blocker. I've lost a few screws. Got you more gas than tankers fuel in Texaco. I never laid stationary, I always push the envelope. Bone fighter tore my mum's womb and pelvic bone. Break through the underground like when Krang moves the Technodrome. Catch me in the evil mood, I'll get crocodile, heat a spoon and feed it you till you're in a treatment room with a breathing tube. Then watch me intrude when you're asleep and put a lethal boost of scopolamine into your IV and cruelly induce a seizure scoop. leaving you in a displeasing pool of pee and puke, deceased and blue. I see it through, that's how I end MCs and finish the sequence to complete the loop of my strategic move. I'm astounding, Crimson's power hits with £1,000 million per inch, fist could crush Mount Olympus down to bits without assistance. Endless amounts of wisdom, Ursa slaughterhouse, that's why I never count my chickens. Draw for your shield, grab your battle axe, I'm hungry for this shit like the Taliban on Ramadan. You can't have this style, you'd have to give a leg and an arm G and make an anagram from anagram. Buy your bag to smoke, grind a rapper cone, light, sit back and talk, get high, relax your dome. Everything I write is master stroke, type the access codes which triggered my mind rapid growth. I'm a spiteful bastard though, there's no denying that I broke out the psychiatric home. They try to prescribe an antidote, but no matter how high they have the dose, I stay hyperactive, yo, it's vital that you know. I can see ahead of these snakes like I'm Psycho Mantis, bro. When I act immature, I'll bite your ankle bone and do a violent barrel roll. I'm like Michelangelo, my cytoplasms grow faster than a normal quiet average Joe. I take direct action, don't step inside the battle zone. I'll slice and hack your throat, chuck you inside the catacomb. Wrap this shit up like Pampers diapers. Your back's against the wall like John Frankenheimer. I've got a nice side to me though, I'll give anybody a good shot of tranquilizers. I should be on the psycho ward, I'm savage. I eat human organs and drink hydrochloric acid. Practice tribal forms of magic. Display strength when I grab a rhino's horn and snap it. I reside inside the domes of madness. 1985, Ink was born a bastard. I don't give a fuck about your SoundCloud clicks. I'll repost your face with a roundhouse kick. Don't worry if you're in a pickle, dude. I'll tie a noose around your neck and keep you in a loop. Approach Silver Spoon boys in a ninja suit. They'll be sipping through a straw, slurping chicken soup. I'm killing this shit from Liverpool to Timbuktu. I couldn't give a fuck if you disapprove. I've lost a couple of Phillips screws. I chew on food for thoughts using my wisdom tooth. Don't know where the fuck I've left my marbles. If you find them, you better pack and send a parcel. You won't have a leg to stand on when I smash your metatarsals with a heavy barbel. Get met with a deadly fate. Had a taste for religion but spat out the missionary's brain. Heaven, I'll never get in the entry gates. Listen to these words, zero thoughts given anyway. Too many MCs try to be like Eminem, but they'll never eat the spaghetti plate Debbie made. Pricks with petty ways, I make him so sick to the stomach they get vicious belly ache. Any snakes that are sliding undercover, I'll tiger uppercut you with an iron knuckle duster. Don't undermine me, you dumb pricks. You eat caterpillars and get butterflies in your stomach. I hope you can justify your assumptions before I come and stick a hunting knife in your gullet. Run and hide cause I'm coming. And I'm not wanting any type of discussion. Turn water to wine. Wasn't born on a bed of roses, but life has been a thorn in my side. I'm cold all of the time, like the formidable opponent Scorpion fights. I wanna honor the greatest. Rap today got a pun in his grave in constant rotation. I'm stronger than Satan, he's locked in my basement. He's rotting away and being robbed of his status. You can't help but stop in amazement. My objective is to conquer the nation. Always been a bothersome playful. Hate my parents, I bit the hand that was rocking the cradle. Love the best thing since sliced flesh. All sacrificed ancient Egyptians given to the afterlife. Seen bitches suck each other's period blood. You can't outshine me, I am serious son. Christ is sent to rise again for his final quest with wine and bread and fiery death. I'll never repent, fuck that. I don't believe in the bullshit the Bible tells. A virus dwells inside my head. I leave rivals dead if they try to step in a lion's den. I align my pen with the Ryan's belt and control flows with the trident Poseidon held. I'll do anything that is viewed as a sin. My rhyme book is made up of Lucifer's skin. Most of the time I wish I would die and rot. Engaged in suicide and then we tied the knot. I'll drop a nuke on top of you. Boom. You'll look like sausage stew. Trust me, you'll follow through. You don't want a feud. I make jokers hit the deck. I advise you don't follow suit. You better watch your tune, or I'll put the fear of God in you. That's gospel truth. I can smell the haters. How'd you keep a dickhead in suspense? I'll tell you later. Crimson ink is the colour scheme. As your stomach leave your gut and spleens company. In another league, you bunch of weak jump MCs are 100 feet under me. As the dumb police come across my sleeves. I resist arrest as I'm placed into custody. You're gonna need nuns and priests to shut the demons out that utterly smother me. This ain't tongue in cheek, puppetry. When I spit it's like a submachine. Gun releases ammo to leave my enemies down in all summary. Look at what the fuck this pen has done to me. Constantly searching for life's missing puzzle pieces. It all makers or the nature of a mother's genes. It was up to me. So I dipped the quill in the pen and I signed and done the deed. One and only ultimate custom built. I wasn't born, I descended from the mothership. My elongated skull is filled with knowledge. My brain muscles rip and grow back double quick. I've had enough of this. My two personalities are always having a lover's tip. Never unequipped with puns and flips. Committing suicide is at the top of my bucket list. I hate the government. I call them chlamydia swabs cause they're all stuck up dicks. You'll get crushed to bits. I've been in hairier situations than cousin it. I'm a bastard, I'm arrogant. Come straight off the top like Catherine of Aragon. Rip out your bladder and abdomen, turn you around, then slash up your laterals. My kind's on the brink of distinction. 15, I was taken under the wing of a prison. My skin is fireproof, otherwise I'd have third degree burns from when I'm inside the booth. I'm a modern day Bard of Haven. Soon I'm gonna blow up Assalamu Alaikum. I'm militant with sergeant status. Slap the hand of God, now his arm is aching. I was resurrected. My true age can't be determined using carbon dating. Smacks like skills of the American nation. They both get shot up on a regular basis. Yo, you hardly run the scene. I make heads bop so much they get Parkinson's disease. My heart'll never harbour love or peace. I write so much I'll never be carpal tunnel free. I got nobody to answer to. I don't go against the grain. I bite through planks of wood. You get broken apart. Your flow is nothing like mine. We are oceans apart. Barcode, you can't better us. None of your tapes will ever size or measure up. You're all hella dumb. It rained intelligence, but you all had your umbrellas up. You'll get cut in half. You're an arsehole in one, and then rubbish bars are under par. I'm going up in arms, you'll see ducks and stars after I launch you 100 yards. I always jump the mark, especially if I'm on a bridge. I should be locked in a funny farm. Fuck your style and auto-tune. You need to take that shit and flush it down a portal loop. You don't need to shake and tremble, you can have a free CD as long as you pay attention. Retaliate when my name is mentioned. I'm pig-headed, won't ask you to save my bacon. Don't be thinking you're top dog. I'm icy on these roads. Take me with a pinch of rock salt. You won't hurt Crim. The gloves are off. I'm an unhygienic neurosurgeon. You can't match the power I have when I counter-attack. Your heart don't sink. It exits out of your back. I'm always on my damn ting. I'll rip your leg off. Nah, I'm joking. I'm pulling your hamstring. Put you in a chokehold like Hulk Hogan. Get your skull broken. Then I'll do a leg drop in slow motion. I'm so potent. I'll reach into your throat, bro. You'll get your soul stolen. Don't pretend you don't notice me. Even the butcher was too scared to give me the cold shoulder. I am the Lord Elite. Your girl never brushed her teeth and she just gave me oral B. Act accordingly, or I'll rip your organs clean from your torso. Please stop talking, breathe. You can have war or peace. If you select war, then you'll become a product of a torture scene. Immortal being, I spit fire that exceeds temperatures of Aldebaran's scorching heat. There is no other option. I overdosed on Viagra, they couldn't shut the coffin. As the sands of time dropping, I tap into binary code and receive Anunnaki high knowledge. It's time to up the ante. Psychotics, unrighteous, wherever that path leads, I'm on it. My angry mind's rotten. Lift to a higher consciousness with my internal machine hydraulics. All these chatty guys gossip. My presence electrocutes them with a massive high voltage. Colossal stampede, I'm stomping. The only way I'd lose face is if I score a Stanley knife on it. I can't be nice, honest, but fuck that, I'm too busy constructing a stack of pine boxes. So play with fire if you're totally certain to go to the furnace. I openly worship the devil. So fuck what you supposedly heard, bitch. Yeah, I'm nobody, and nobody's perfect. Feed you high doses of Valium, cut your ears off and wear them like a Roman medallion. Grab some ibuprofen and Ambient, you're sick to the stomach, now I've opened your pancreas. Ferocious angry one. became obese by sitting on the throne of champions. Kill these copycats, fuck your recycled threes, you'll get biodegradable body bag. I bring all of my enemies fear, I return victorious with the head on a spear. I'm motivated, I use automatic transmission, I don't need to get in gear. I'm forever strong. With my bare hands, I broke the jaw of a megalodon. Cause your flesh to rot like doing a belly flop in an infested pond of leopard frogs. Brandish you with a Celtic cross. MCs disappear, pass me the dental floss. Jealous fucks, say they're gonna come through my door. I doubt it unless you wank through my letterbox. You're all delicate wimps with no balls. My testicles swing from the top of my legs to my shin. Approach shit with a different view. When I wake up, I make a smoothie with forbidden fruit. I've lost more bars, don't be thinking you're dark. This is raw art, I'm freestyling. This is me whiling. I'm like Shocks the Rebel, man, I've been grinding. Combine a white viper with an asphodite python's grip. Cut off your air supply pipe and it crushes like a vice tightening. Shortly after you'll lose eyesight and ribs crack. That's how I paralyze rivals with my private bits. My psychiatrist thinks I'm nuts, cause I said the government got satellites flying which send volatile viruses that strike via this device. Microchip embedded inside, hiding in my sinuses. Beware of sly Bible tricks. Inside Cairo is where our ancestors used to write hieroglyphs. Wise minds, scriptures, guidelines to invite minds to lift consciousness and rise high to divine righteousness. One thing I learned from Einstein is it's my mind to fix. I'll drown these rats out like the Pied Piper did. I'm taking over with a tight iron fist. Call my bluff, cunt, I dare you to try and dial it. Fire violence is my kind of shit. Got a 12-inch die grinder with a fine diamond tip. Your lifeline is thin. And this verse is so long, it's probably the highlight of it. Don't try and bite my shit, or you'll end up like Holyfield. When I got Mike Tyson prick, I could dive in a 10-foot high pile of shit and coming out smelling like a white hyacinth. I'm like the Ambrose, like pirate ship, multiple loose cannons. You fuck the fighter side, diamond flip. Shallow bastard, don't need my diving kit. I fend off world sharks with ink like giant squid. Classified trident mish in a straight fighter jet. Missiles fired with the power of my mind guiding them. Gone to my Templar, boom, like Cypress Hill. My eyeballs split, now I'm stuck inside Silent Hill. You can't say got 9 lives to live. I'll kick your vertebrae, which leave you with pulverized spinal discs. Big-headed, check the supersized size of it. Spitting this verse, just crushed my die to bits. Do you like life's finer things? I'll chuck a stun grenade in your face so you can see the bright side of it. I'm fucked the Vatican, I'll baptize white friars, ignite fires with cyanide hydrogen. Alright, I admit, the only thing I could never commit to is suicide. Why is it? I feel like trying it every day. I wanna snort 5 lines of whiz, take a knife, slice my wrists. I'm off my nut, wanna punch, grab your esophagus until there's no oxygen in its proper crust like Monster Munch. It's a fatal massacre. I'll take a jackhammer, cave and fracture your nasal aperture. Your mum's vagina's rotten, mate, it's giant hollow spaces. Why the fucking spaces as Orion's constellation? It's like a toxic waste dump. And if Saddam had its gases, he could divide and conquer nations. I'll capture your dad and cause your granddad to have an asthma attack. As a matter of fact, when your granny's having a nap, I'll force feed her a gallon of that piss from a catheter bag. I'm just having a laugh. Don't need sheets and banknotes, just bars that are elite and that dope that freeze a black hole. You don't want beef and aggro. Bury your head in the sands at the Giza Plateau. I can safely say the voice of sin has taken me, stand by me, die of radiation poisoning. I body these bastards with polysyllabics. They copy my raps, I didn't give Polly a cracker. A mass percentage of rappers getting sad and desperate, apathetic. Most of your fans are friends, man, accept it. You got music, video, swagger, epic, but you don't have a Lexus or the cash to get it, that is rented. You won't pull a fast one on me, I even slap my dentist. Brain burns so many calories, I should be anorexic. So pass a message, I'm back with vengeance, leave at the exit. Before I rip out that appendix, hand it back in segments. Master shredded, grab a medic, I act the menace. Around sack a chemist for methadone and go ape shit. And go into an overdose shaking. Wake up in hospital as a comatose patient. Time to turn the tabletops. Took a nail and cross and killed Jesus for the sake of God. Over the years I've never changed a lot. Done unspeakable things and never gave a fuck. Any snakes that cross me will pay the cost. Taser bolts will leave them in a state of shock. I'll take a kosh and bang your face a lot till your brain is squashed down to the size of an apricot. You're not ready to face a boss. You're not on key, dickhead. I changed the locks. I might be a crazy fuck, but you're playing stupid if you think your music's taking off. Lies, I just straight make him up. Give me half a chance and I would rape Lady Luck. Make her take angel dust and rob her of her fortune. If she's lucky, I may make her come. I feed on raw flesh, I squeeze a fork deep in your cerebral cortex. Conceive the bone blessed, I'm sidekick. Can read your thoughts beneath your forehead. My brain's locked in an old rotten prison, but has no problem slipping into postmodernism. There's no competition. I break the thermogulation boundaries of my cold opposition. Sit all night and just choose psilocybin mushrooms. Trick till I visualize the twisted lies and untruth. Practice ancient tradition, tiger kung fu. A heart purer than Christian Hyman cunt juice. You couldn't shine if vicious lightning struck you. You'll get sent back, kicked inside your mum's room. Set to conquer worlds when I plot a verse. I'll just fucking smirk, sit on top of earth and drink a Copperberg. Got venomous fans, my first picture holding the mic was at my mum's pregnancy scan. Non-benevolent stance, you can assemble a plan, but I'm ahead of it, I'm an intelligent man. Yeah, I'll take your breath away by reaching inside your mouth and ripping your lungs clean from your windpipe. Transform when there's a pale moon at midnight. No strings attached, cut your tendons with the flick knife. Every verse is ill. When I get the urge to spit, it breaks all surrounding surfaces. Kidnap Katie Hopkins and burn the bitches. Too many freaks and not enough circuses. Don't style it, you can't purchase this. Though it has left me with mental disturbances. And fuck Cameron and Ed Miliband. I'm full of more surprises than a dead Cilla Black. Hate my psychiatrist, I've got an appointment due. I stick a compass in his eye so he can see my point of view. My voice causes atoms to smash. I cook up bangers, but I ain't a flash in the pan. I'm forging a sword, move forward to war. Toward them a horse with an assortment of swords. It will end with a victorious walk. Over your corpse that has torn, order restored. You've been cautioned and warned. I never will, never have fallen before. Bars bring jaws to the floor. Puns hit so hard that they knock Earth off its orbital course. Start pacing back, taking fast evasive action. My music's addictive like Craven's smack to chase the dragon. You all claim that you're on it. You're not. But you pussies crumble when you hear a Don spit. You better find a practical safe haven. If I punch you, you'll hit the International Space Station and exit this actual fake matrix. I'ma spit bars until my angular vein caves in. I honour this shit overly. You can't give birth to creation with polycystic ovaries. My knowledge in its potency runs deeper than the bottom of the ocean seas. Lock and twist a golden key to arrogance. I hock and spit, then show my teeth. And fuck those of opportunity. My incredible brain opens dimensional gates. Find medical aid. Yeah, I'm a fat bastard because I stepped to the plate. I hate this petulant game. Can't walk away, something inside is begging to stay. You'll get my foot in your arse. Give you a cardiac arrest out of the good of my heart. And don't test my inner dog. You've no place in hip-hop like a bacon sandwich in a synagogue. Barcode, the finest crew will silence you in a battle track or cypher too. Synthetically placed inside the womb, think outside the box as inside the hypercube. If I go in a tantrum, I'll stitch my back with the wings of dragons and exit the atmosphere and steal the ring of Saturn. Swing and angle it to hit the planet, reduce it to fragments. I'm bringing havoc to you little faggots. It was me that picked the apple to give to Adam, and that's just a fraction what I'm like. Better stay hidden, absent from interacting when Crimson's rapping. Bitches. Grab your winter jacket, don't care if you sleep on me, take a frickin' nap on a pissy mattress. Turn everything against you and flip it backwards like Jimmy Rabbit in a battle. It'll happen. Rip you like a Rizzler packet. Got you gassed like when Jewish were captive in a Nazi prison campus. Alpha dog like an Egyptian jackal. Stay positive like the inner flag of Switzerland is. Bring you more bangers, raw rapper. I'm sought after, make your jaw shatter with the talk spanner. I'm better than you, that's a short answer. Hit the nail on the head with Thor's hammer. Stole an Ark of the Covenant, they got no balls. That's why I don't know where these artists are coming from. Troublesome, reluctant cunt, turn up the stomach pump till it's sucking up your blood and guts. My adversaries are thunderstruck, bump your gums and receive 100 cuts in a punctured lung. Your repertoire's shameful, but don't hang your mic up, hang yourself with the XLR cable. I need a biochemist, there's more microbes present than grains of sand in the Cairo desert. Mental health too much for psychometrics. I'll never survive surrender as if Dido said it. My saliva is a bioweapon. When I'm on a charge, I could make a rhino's head split. Do you copy? The only way I dig you is if shit was too hot and I had to move your body. I have a healthy diet, you'll get eaten alive, with a portion of greens on the side. Why would I ever need your advice when I'm a giant? I eclipse the sun when I reach for the skies. I have the meaning of life, my evil demise even surprised me and the demon inside. Not a reasonable guy, spit a long verse I could free 4 days, it's as easy as pie. You'll be deeply scarred when you see me start. Turn nightmares into 3D art, you'll need CPR. I got a bigger head than Osiris. As a child, I loved Skeletor, he was my bone idol. Ever try and go in pursuit of Crimson Ink, I'll drive you insane up the road to your doom. Your bitch will get broken in two. I'll pry open a womb and tie her fallopian tubes. Diagnosis is true, bipolar's acute, psychosis infused with my persona and roots. I'm all about creating chances. Use this amazing talent to make advancements. Others let the grass grow under their feet so much the blades of grass hit the nasal passage. And who the fuck are you dissing? You're a flash in the pan without a pot to piss in. On my graveyard shift, I raise carnage. Grab your hate, spark it. My music ain't for the faint-hearted. I embrace darkness, rotten raw to the horrorcore. I live for straight bar shit. You're headed up a dangerous road. I won't be breaking your bones. I'll disappear into vapor and smoke. My brain is a toad. I'm like Sonic, never beating Robotnik. I stay in the zone. I answer to no boss, I own God. I'm in my own lane and I'll smash any roadblock. Arrogant show-off who's coming up quicker than a virgin who got their first blowjob. I hate commercial shit, I'm remaining merciless. In the underground with the blazing furnaces. So you say you're creating turbulence, I'll snatch your tongue out your mouth and take your word for it. I'll break your jaw, then flash my naked balls at the magistrate when it's my day in court. Transcend nature's force, be made for wars. It's a midwife, cut my baby cord in the labour ward. Keep your rep safe and stored. Great minds don't think alike, I've got my own train of thought. You got a sleep disorder, cause you're jealous, but don't eat your heart out, man, I'll eat it for you. I'm always in destruction mode, you better shut up, bro, before I make your blood run cold. Unstable temperament, don't take kindness for weakness. I've got an iron fist in a velvet glove. I'm effing tough, I'll swing a tremendous punch that equals the force of a metric ton. Treacherous, petulant, relentless one. Clever cunt, never trust anyone ever, son. I guarantee you'll be in doubt praying, it goes without saying. I drop A-bombs and make off, carve the skin off William Wallace and put a brave face on. I'm one of the illest who's around. Throw dirt on my name, you'll be losing ground. I am the mentor of Stentor. Wanna play games and I'll check pawns on a chessboard. Slap your fucking face till it's red raw. Immortal being, I kick the bucket at death's door. I quadruple the strength you got. Plus I'm like Frankenstein, I've got my head screwed on. Love, death and fear, come get it here. I fill the 70s with my blood, sweat and tears. Don't wanna Bugatti with a gold plate. I'll jack a tarmac truck, I'm making my own lane. Go back to the chalkboard. In fact, you are like a Bugatti, man, because you're all talk. I've got the bottle to flip my lid, I'm straight killing it. Nail every beat that's at my fingertips. Always go for the instant kill. During battles I dodge punchlines by doing ninja flips. When I'm holding the mic, I'm like fucking Morpheus. I'm always going in on a line. Mastermind, solve paradigms that allow me to travel time to the afterlife and slap and strike the Antichrist. Shove a contract down his throat and reverse the asking price. Grab a knife for samurai, hack and slice these parasites just like a sack of rice. This seed's a panzer mine, it has declined. I'll snap your fucking arm, you'll get cast aside. I've got the appetite to grab the mic. Rappers might as well bury their heads in the sands of time. Love to antagonize, won't bring me down a peg or two. I'll use them to hang you dry. I'll hack inside and access minds and make you commit rancid crimes, but I'll have an alibi. Cut my wrist with a Stanley knife. Got nothing to offer you except for bad advice. Insolent cunt, I can't quite remember your name, but I'll cut off the tip of your tongue. Won't be finished and done till you're dripping with blood. The mortician was stunned at the condition of you. Open your mouth and I'll jump down your throat, then re-emerge, ripping your bowels out your nose. Stick a dicing in you, suck your guts and stomach, then you'll be officially done and dusted. I am a fruitcake with two brains that mutate. I'm being too hard to tame since my due date. This is doomsday. Progression is irrelevant because I ate the food chain. I'll visit the Lord, equipped with the sword, kicking the doors of heaven down, start a biblical war. Get your ligaments torn, you'll be hitting the floor with an impact that disturbs Earth's elliptical course. Not restricting my thoughts, you pricks in the straw. I'll break a glass jaw with an infamous roar. Took my spirit and forced my way into Lucifer's body and took on his physical form. I'm close to the edge, I'll dig my heart out with the ace of spades. I hold my cards close to my chest. Time is something I mold and I bend. Went to Waterloo and came back with Napoleon's head. I'm dark and twisted, narcissistic, smart and cryptic, and I feast upon cartilage picnics. When I spark the pistons, every bar's malicious. I go hard and kill it from start to finish. MCs talk garbage, I'm sick of fake shit. I'm a marksman to filler placement, target eliminated. I'm sharp, I'm a ninja training, throw stars at your face, which leaves scars and slits, plus abrasions. Took the holy ark to the system's agents. The monatomic goals started to glitch. The matrix at the end of the day, there's no avoid in the dark. I'm administering venom with the poisonous dart. Never fade away. I'm a contagious plague, hurt these pussies like labour pains. Run over your facial veins with the razor blade. I do this for respect, fuck the paper chase. Sit back and blaze a J. You might grow cannabis, but trust me, you still don't make the grade. There's no escaping the onslaught, crashing articulated lorries into rappers for the long haul. All you're doing is talking a lot. When I was born, I evolved and transformed into God. You got a problem, we can sort it and box, but trust me, it'll end in your unfortunate loss. Never try and corner a boss. Fuck a Colombian necktie, I use a Gordian knot. You couldn't see me with an optical flint. You chat so much breeze that you're gone with the wind. I'm a part-time magician only. Cut the head off Pegasus, I'm a one-trick pony. Take so much codeine, my throat bleeds, you phonies. Want no beef, you just hide behind smoke screens. Never accept any apology offered. I'm blowing up in Scotland like the Lockerbie bomber. Infect women when I snap the condom. You could feed the world on a piece of the action Bronson. I hit with the punch that turns bricks into dust. No matter how many props I get, it isn't enough. Yo, your minute is up. My arms are crafted out of Smith & Westons, cause I stick to my guns. Slash planet Earth in half with Caliburn. I'm so hungry I even ate my mum's afterbirth. Short fuse, I'm amped up. Strangle you with handcuffs. Bitch, keep your mouth clamped shut. My attitude is so bad and vulgar that when the chip appeared, it snapped my shoulder. Yo, your plans are over. I'll crack your bones when I grab your throat like Titanoboa. I'm like Diana's chauffeur, a major threat. I'll take your head clean off with a bayonet. I write with the razor's edge. You'll witness fatal deaths until there's no pagans left. Selfish cunt, I'm never breaking bread. Fox skinning a cat, I'd rather break its legs. Rise of a titan, outshining my idols. Stick a test tube in your eye and blind you with science. My style is priceless. I only came out with minor scratches when fighting a lichen. Fuck you, done twat. After I've hung you with a noose, I might cut you some slack. You've never heard anyone is rotten before. Stop my dick in the AIDS carrier, had positive thoughts. I'm not the gossipy sort, I honour the sword. My knowledge of bro got me locked in the hospital ward. When you watch me perform, there's a tropical storm that knocks every single fan onto the floor. Crimson ink is on top of the law. I'll drive you insane by my own Honda Accord. Rappers are forced to resign, move forward in time. Boss man, and I'm laying corpses in piles. Horrible bastard, I'm awful and vile. Sprayed insect repellent at the Lord of the Flies. My hands are so strong they're crushing comets. I need a mining excavator to cut my losses. Stubborn bastard, rather suffer in sin. I'm like a scabies, I get under your skin. I bring devastation and grief. Your existence is pointless like an atheist priest. I'll never be tolerating your cheek. I'm an alcoholic with a white ace up my sleeve. Stop me? You don't have the heart. Equipped with the chainsaw, come forward and chance your arm. Nah, everything I do is good enough. With the force of an avalanche, I push my luck. Your style needs 1,000 adjustments. I look after number one, I ain't counterproductive. Get chained and dragged down to the dungeon. Torture methods that are just foul and disgusting. I'm potent, there's no test for these grotesque rhymes. Get shook from the crow's nest and took down below deck. I process then progress to artifact the best. And darkly at the death via cardiac arrest. I've got a problem regarding your purpose, Cause half of your verses are retarded and worthless. Alarms and excursions when my target's emerging. I charge in the Mercury and then chuck the arse in the furnace. Your carcass is burning. I harness eternal power, plus half the mark of the serpent. I refuse to part with the burden. Game's over like Joseph Stalin bombarded the Germans. I discarded the vermin. Threw Excalibur so far back in time it killed Arthur and Merlin. Don't ever try and start a diversion or try and take the piss, I'll make you gargle my urine. You acting hard isn't working. You're not militant, you'll never be a sergeant or colonel. My heart is determined to bring carnage and murder. MCs won't admit it, but they're startled and nervous. Burn you with solar rays, I'm so rugged. You're keen as old mustard, but you just don't cut it. I swallow whole packs of Prozacs. You toe rags think you can scare me? Ah, not a ghost chance. My mum washed my mouth out with Dad's detergent. You've dug yourself a hole, I haven't even scratched the surface. Simpletons can't fuck with this flow. I know you're two-faced, I keep my nose to the brimstone. Check it. I'm the lowest of the low. Fuck Medusa, my bars turned Moses into stone. Like a supernova when I blow. Flows are so crazy, God put Noah in a boat. I just go at it alone. Nobody notices you're dope if the motive isn't dope. I suggest you don't act cocky, cause I'll cut your head off just to spite your body, bruv. I'll disable you with a disable to make you disabled. I've heard you mixtaping that shit shameful. You'll find yourself underneath a guillotine. I always bend the truth because I'm a liability. It's true, I'm well ahead of my day. When I blow up, of course I'll go my separate ways. Always passing every test of my fate, get in my way, and I'll be sure to make a mess of your face. Yo, fuck it, I'll freestyle off my mind. My producer played my tracks, it blew his rocket vibes. Genetically modified, you can kiss my ass crack, that's the bottom line. Rap the illest schemes, frantic killing spree. Gas or intervene when Master Crimson speaks. Get blasted smithereens, smash the bitsy geeks and force fed 1,000 grams of amitriptyline. Remorse is absent in my genes, and like a bad rush, I'll smother you in antihistamines. You catch a freaking weak, stand in my vicinity and catch a rancid skin disease. Battle winning streaks, bagging victories, adding injury to fight is bittersweet. Grab the guillotine, snap and split your spleen. If you don't listen to the track and hit repeat. Plastic imagery, trap and skinny jeans. That's the industry, they lack ability. I am a different breed. Atom split and freeze, craftsmanship's elite. Mass agility, laugh or disagree. I'll travel in a dream, back in history and end your sad existence. G, yo, I'll visit your mother, only to cause the slag to misconceive. Then stab the bitch and leave. I stand a sick MC, but ran from inner peace. Boss man, I never show a tad of sympathy. Strike with a dragon ninja sweep. Break your ankle, twist your kneecap and slit your cheek. Yo, I'm assembling mad penmanship, that's definite. You whack terrible rap veterans, act negligent, full of adrenaline. You coming to me, it's like an ant stepping to a black elephant. Killed my last therapist, I am venomous. Wipe my ass crevice with the last testament. Man never quits, I add excellent to everything that's relevant. Hold back questioning, that's end of it. Yo, there's nothing you can do to me, especially when you fuckers hide behind computer screens. I'm never fucking wrong. Blew my mind with the cluster bomb and lost some nuts and bolts. My brain has grown to tremendous copious levels. It's overdeveloped and it's loaded with weapons. You're going down like a custodial sentence. Show these jokers a lesson and break the bone of contention. Basements full of dead police. I always bring the bacon home, that's the way I roll. I'll take control of your mind and take your soul. I'm better than whoever you rate the most. Got punch you can't top. The hindered doors of opportunity. I'm from the school of hard knocks. Nobody's fucking with the smart one. You'll lose drive after I plant a car bomb. Cut your nose to spite your face. Even a tidal wave couldn't brainwash my mind and state. You'll dive 1,000 plagues. Grab the bull by its horn and threw it into outer space. Commotion, I'm down in a game. When I put my foot down, it causes the ground to break. Blow the Richter power gauge, I make cowards shake. Then they disappear without a trace. Yo, I've lost a couple of bars again. I'm just gonna freestyle, fuck it, that didn't even rhyme. Get hit in the private bits with an iron fist. Don't care about viral hits, it's a pile of shit. It's my time to spit. I made a lazy MC sandwich with the bread of idleness. I'm a major threat to Zionists. Think of the plus side of things and then minus it. Being injected with aggression, you know what marks to give me. I'm the center of attention. Work rate, I heave and I push. Fuck a leaf, you'd need to take a tree out my book. I'm friggin' strong, listen, Don. My rhymes are worth more than the paper that they're written on. Your fingers are like tangerines for smoking too much unbelief. I'll bounce on your head like a trampoline. Cross the borders of insanity. The only one who's got my back is my other personality. Fuck it, last 8 bars I'll come off the brain. Got a sore throat, grin bit past the orangeade. Punch could smash a pyramid. Crimson Ink, I'm the one and only master lyricist. Police will never take me back to prison. I'm fucking old school like a Sega Master System. You better know that hell is coming. I've got bars for days and there's 1,200.
Just listen to the old Pork Chop Express here now and take his advice on a dark and stormy night when the lightning's crashing and the thunder's rolling and the rain's coming down in sheets thick as lead. Just remember what old Jack Burton does when the earth quakes and the poison arrows fall from the sky and the pillars of heaven shake. Yeah, Jack Burton just looks that big old storm right square in the eye and he says, "Give me your best shot, pal." I can take it.